Hello, this is Basma Abdelhamid. Welcome to another course from TEFL. This time we're talking about CLL, Cooperative Language Learning. As you know, in many cultures, competition between the students is usually fostered by the teachers inside the class. We always push our students to compete against one another on who would get the highest mark, who would be better than the others. But usually it has a really bad effect on everybody, not just the students who are weak or who are not yet of a high level, but also on the other students who would just become a little bit more selfish that would affect them later on when they grow up in the society. One of the professors in psychology called Dr. Spencer Kagan, he was doing some research on competition versus cooperation, and he found out that cooperation always makes a very good effect on the students inside the class, and it fosters everybody's performance. So in this course, we're going to talk about what is CLL and what are the characteristics that or the rules that CLL is based on, and some of the techniques that you can apply in your classroom that would help you, make the class more fun and also make your students learn better. Wait for the coming episode to know about it.